This is a review of Kling AI, which is an AI-powered video generation platform offering tools such as creating videos from text prompts, images, or a combination of both. Some of the key features are going to include the image editing, image generation, and video generation. You can also generate sound completely from text, and it's all going to be high resolution. Now, some of the pricing plans are very affordable. If we take a look at the monthly plans, it starts at $7 per month. Now, of course, you have a free trial, which is free forever, and you get free monthly credits, but you're very limited, and it's recommended to step up to these paid plans. If you select the yearly plan, you're going to be getting a nice 34% discount, and you're getting 660 credits. Now, Kling AI has some of the best AI text to video generation tools on the market, and a lot of people are using this tool to create AI videos.